Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4, let's go for the Samsung folder right here, then click on the voice recorder, click on the allow if you are opening this application for the first time, and when you want to record something, just click on this red button right here, and right now it is recording the voices. When you want to stop, click here, tap on the OK. Right now click on this button on the right side and we can save our record, but in my case I don't want it, so I will just leave it and tap on the Discord. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.